Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, I am teaching you chapter number 17. Today date is 22 and the name of your chapter is the Earth and Sky. So, student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. Okay, so student, in previous video we discussed that surface of the land, because we are living on the surface of the earth. So we discuss here that there are different type of a land present on the surface of earth. All the land is not plain. What we have observed? We observe plains also, desert also, hills, mountains, plateaus, oceans, sea, rivers, lakes, etc. So on the surface of the earth where we all are living, so we discussed that all the land on the surface that is not plain. There are different types of a land present on the surface of the earth. Some of the places are plain, some are desert area. Desert area means the area which do not have a rainfall, or there is a very, you can say, little or less rainfall in that area. या तो रेनफॉल होती ही नहीं है, अगर होती भी है तो देर इज वेरी लिटिल और लेस रेनफॉल इन दैट एरिया. हिल्स, माउंटेन्स आर दे, माउंटेन्स की बहुत ज्यादा हाइट होती है. हिल्स क्या होते हैं दोनों ही. माउंटेन्स और हिल्स में डिफरेंस यही है कि माउंटेन्स की हाइट्स बहुत ज्यादा होती है, हिल्स इतने बड़े नहीं होते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो पीक दोनों की होती हैं, चोटियां दोनों की होती हैं, लेकिन माउंटेन्स दे हैव अ, उनकी हाइट बहुत ज्यादा होती है, हिल्स उतने ऊंचे नहीं होते हैं. हिल्स है, माउंटेन्स है, प्लेट्यू. ओके, लैंड. सो these are also like a hills. From the ground they are on a height, but the upper surface is flat, that is plateaus, or you can also say table land. Okay, then ocean, sea, river, lake, etc., all these things are present on the surface of the earth. Is it clear? And after that we discuss, when we see the picture of the earth, the maximum portion we see that it is of a blue color. So reason is that our earth is also known as a blue planet, because 72% the surface of the earth is covered with water. Reason is 72% surface of earth is covered with water, and rest of 28% which is left over, in that you will see the plains, deserts, hills, mountain, plateaus. Is it clear? So 72% the surface of the earth is covered with water, and in rest 28% we see plains, deserts, hills, mountains and plateaus. Clear? Now after that, student, we discuss that we discuss what is atmosphere. So a layer of air surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. Okay, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air, and this is called its atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by a layer of air. This is called its its atmosphere. Now let's start with the solar system. Okay, after that there is a little discussion we have done on the topic distance of earth from the sun. So student, the distance of earth from the sun is, that is the right distance. If the earth is very close to the sun, then what happen? Then what's happen? It is, then the earth become very hot, and due to this the plants and other living organisms, they cannot survive. ठीक है? If the earth is close to the sun, you know that lot of heat and light that is produced by the sun, and if it is close to it, then the temperature on the earth is very high, then it is very hot, and due to this all plants and animal life would perish. Perish means होता है नष्ट हो जाना. Anything is not possible. ठीक है? And in the same manner, if the earth is very far away from the sun, then also what's happened? The temperature on the earth is very cool, and due to this also the life is not possible on the planet earth. So student, the distance between earth and sun is very right. Is it clear? Next, solar system. So student, when we are talking about the solar system, now, so when I explain you about earth, then what I told you, that earth is a planet. So what is a planet? Any natural object that revolves around the sun. As you know, student, we have 8 planets. We have 8 planets. So all these 8 planets, they revolves around. For example, this is a sun, so they revolves this. They taking a round of the sun. Sun is in the center, and these planets are taking the round of the sun. This type of a movement, that is known as revolution. That is known as revolution. Here the word is used revolves. Revolves also mean this, but this movement we say revolution. So all these 8 planets take a round of the sun, and one more important thing is that they move in a fixed path. They don't change their path. ठीक है? And this fixed path of this planet is known as orbit. Okay, this fixed path of the planet is known as orbit. So student, the family of the sun is called it the solar system. It is made of sun, 8 planets and their moons. Okay, so what is a solar system? A family of a sun, and it is the family of the sun is called it solar system. And what are it is made of the sun and 8 planets and their natural satellites. ठीक है, एक मैन मेड सैटेलाइट्स भी होते हैं. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेचुरल सैटेलाइट्स. और उसके बाद फर्दर हमने डिस्कस किया ही था हाउ मच टाइम. सी ऑल दीज प्लैनेट्स आर टेकिंग राउंड ऑफ द सन. So all of them according to the distance from the sun, all of them different time to take a round around the sun. जो ये सारे प्लेनेट सन का राउंड लगा रहे हैं, तो सबका राउंड लगाने का टाइम सेम नहीं है. ओके, because it depends of the distance of that planet from the sun. In the same manner, our earth, it take one round of the sun in 365 days and 6 hours. That is the reason after every 4 years 1 day increase. Every 4 years 1 day increase, and this extra day is added in the month of February, and this year we say as leap year, and number of days in the leap year is 366. So student, now we will discuss about the sun. So sun is the closest star to the earth. See student, there are millions of stars in the universe, but sun is the closest one to the earth. Is it clear? ऐसा नहीं है कि सन ही सबसे बड़ा स्टार है, क्योंकि हमें ऐसा इसलिए लगता है बिकॉज इन द नाइट वी सी light of a other stars also in the sky. So we thought that the sun is bigger than all the star. But it not, student, there are many stars which are even bigger than the sun also, but they are very far away from the our planet, that is earth. That is the reason they are so far from our planet, so their light is not coming to our planet. That is the reason in the night we see their light in the night. Now the sun is the closest star to the earth. The sun is so big that many earths can fit inside it. This thing I have already explained you. Sun is a very large in size than the earth. It is all in the beginning of the chapter. I also explained this thing, and it is also given here also that many earth can fit inside the sun. Is it clear? So this question can be come in one word also. Which star is very close to our earth? So answer is the sun. The sun is the closest star to the earth. Sun is the closest star to the earth. But why it appears small? जैसा कि अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि सन इज सो लार्ज इन साइज दैट मेनी अर्थ कैन बी फिट इन साइड द सन, बट इवन वाई इट अपेयर सो स्मॉल? रीजन इज दैट इट इज वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम द अर्थ. ठीक है, हमारे जो डिस्टेंस है अर्थ से सन का बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत ज्यादा फार अवे है, इसलिए हमें साइज में क्या है, इट अपियर्स स्मॉल इन साइज ड्यू टू द डिस्टेंस. It appears small because it appears small because it is far away okay. Now it is one of the million of star in the universe. This thing I have already discussed with you that there are millions of stars in the universe, but they are so far away that their light is not coming on our planet. So the sun is the only star which is close to our planet earth. Now student, what is a sun? Underline it in your book, page number 91. What is a sun? It is a huge fiery ball made of hot burning gases हैं, और इन्हीं गैस के बर्न होने से हीट और लाइट प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? सो अंडरलाइन इट. It is a huge fiery ball and made up of hot burning gases which keep burning all the time. ये burn करती रहती हैं gases, and this is why it produce more heat and light. So in our previous chapter also we have discussed the importance of the sunlight. Okay, so what is a sun? Sun is a huge ball and they made of hot burning gases, and these gases burn all the time and they produce heat and light. Is it clear? And the light of the sun is very helpful to us. That I explained you how the light of the sun is very helpful to us. See student, when we are talking about the living organism, then we study it into three categories: plants, human beings and animals. Okay, so when we discuss this, and out of this, when we are talking about the living organism, we study it in under three headings, that is plants, human beings and animals. So student, plant are the only one which can make their own food, and human beings and animals, we are directly or indirectly depends upon the plants for their food. ठीक है, प्लांट्स क्या है? प्लांट्स आर प्रोड्यूसर्स, they can only make their own food, and we human beings and animals, we are directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. Now try to understand how the sunlight is very helpful for us. See how the sunlight is very helpful to us. Now understand this thing student, plants are producer, and which part of the plant produce the food? Leaves. That is the reason leaves are also known as the food houses of plants, or you can say leaves are the kitchen of the plants. वही खाना बनता है, because in the leaves there is a green pigment present, which is known as chlorophyll. So due to sunlight, because there is a process known as a photosynthesis. What was the name of the process? Photosynthesis. This is a process by which plant prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight, air, water, minerals. एयर में से कौन गैस ले लेगा? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज अ रिक्वायर्ड गैस फॉर द प्लांट्स. So student, leaves are also known as the kitchen of the plants because in the leaves there is a green pigment present which is known as chlorophyll. It absorbs the light of the sun. Is it clear? देखो जितनी भी चीजें हैं बेटा सब में एनर्जी है. जैसे हम लोग वाटर से एनर्जी निकालते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज हाइड्रो एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाटर से नहीं मिलती है. So in this the same manner we plant absorb the energy from the sun. So these pigment they absorb the sunlight and prepare their food in the presence of air, water, minerals. These things are present in the soil. So see, sunlight is very helpful. If there is no sunlight, then what's happen? Process of photosynthesis is possible? No. And if there is no photosynthesis in the plants, then how the plant will produce their own food? You are understanding what I am explaining you? मैंने बोला कि लिविंग बींग्स डिवाइड हैं प्लांट्स में, ह्यूमन बींग्स एंड एनिमल्स, and plants are the only one which prepare their own food, and we are totally dependent on plants directly or indirectly for our food. तो हम इतने लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है, सबको खाने को जो फूड मिल रहा है ना, दैट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन द सनलाइट. इफ देयर इज नो सनलाइट, अगर सनलाइट नहीं होती तो देयर इज नो प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, एंड इफ देयर इज नो प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, then how the plants can prepare their own food? And if the plants are unable to prepare their own food, then life is not possible. तब तो हमारे प्लेनेट पे भी लाइफ नहीं होती. So that is the reason student, light of the sun is very very important. Okay, with this the plant are able to prepare their own food. This is the one reason. Next, in the previous chapter when we are studying weathers and season, so time to time, day to day, month to month, weather conditions are changing, and all these happens due to the sun. ठीक है, all these happenings are due to the sun, heat and light. सारा कुछ किससे हो रहा है? सन की हीट से ही हो रहा है. इज इट क्लियर? बिकॉज आई एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट वाटर साइकिल. सो हाउ द वाटर साइकिल बिगिंस? व्हेन द लाइट ऑफ द सन फॉल्स ऑन वाटर, and due to the heat of the sunlight, water start evaporate and it change in the form of a water vapor, and it become very light, it rises up, and when it come in touch with a cold air, then water condense and form tiny drops of water, and these drops join to form the clouds, and from these clouds again the water comes down in the form of a rain, or where the temperature is very cold, in the form of a snow also. So whole water cycle, it totally depend upon the sunlight. अगर clouds नहीं होते, बारिश नहीं होती, तो it is possible that there is any cultivation, क्योंकि plants सीड जब भी जर्मिनेट करता है तो उसको एक प्रॉपर टेम्परेचर चाहिए, सॉइल चाहिए, वाटर चाहिए. अगर इफ देर इज नो रेन, देन इट इज पॉसिबल दैट एनी प्लांट कैन सर्वाइव. जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा है ना, डेजर्ट एरिया में बहुत कम प्लांट ही सर्वाइव कर पाते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि वहां क्या है, वाटर बहुत लेस है. इज इट क्लियर? सो इफ there is no, all the process of water cycle is due to sunlight, due to sun, and if there is no sunlight on this planet, then the life is possible? No. Okay, thank you student.